In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Zoho WorkDrive. Whether you're new to this tool or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can start using this powerful collaborative platform without any hassle. First things first, if you don't already have a Zoho account, you'll need to create one. Head over to the Zoho WorkDrive website and you'll see a prominent Sign Up button. Clicking this will initiate the account creation process. Simply fill in your details like your email address, create a password, and follow any additional verification steps Zoho requires. Once you've completed these steps, your account is ready to go, and you can dive into using Zoho WorkDrive. For those of you who already have an account, the process is quick and simple. Start by navigating to the Zoho WorkDrive website using your preferred web browser. You should see the Sign In button right there on the home page. Go ahead and click it. This will prompt you to enter your existing Zoho credentials, which include your email address and password. Make sure that your credentials are entered accurately to avoid any login issues. After signing in, you'll have access to the full range of features that Zoho WorkDrive offers. This platform is designed to enhance collaboration, so you can organize, store, and share your files seamlessly across teams and devices. To get the most out of Zoho WorkDrive, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and explore the tools available at your fingertips. You can create folders, upload files, and even set permissions to ensure that only the right people have access to specific documents. Remember that Zoho WorkDrive's integration with other Zoho applications makes it a convenient option for managing your projects and tasks. If you're already using other Zoho products, you'll find a cohesive ecosystem waiting for you, which can enhance productivity and streamline your workflow. In case you forget your account details or have trouble logging in, there's always a Forgot Password option on the sign-in page. Simply click this link, follow the prompts to verify your identity, and reset your password through the email sent to your registered email address. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you'll be well on your way to using Zoho WorkDrive efficiently. We hope you find this guide helpful in getting started and making the most of this versatile platform. If you have further questions or need additional support, Zoho offers plenty of resources and customer service options to assist you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using Zoho WorkDrive to its fullest potential. Until next time, happy collaborating!